In Word, Chapter 2, we will learn how to create a research paper with citations and references. We will cover the following objectives: change line and paragraph spacing in a document, modify a style, use a header to number pages of a document, insert and edit citations and their sources, add a footnote to a document, insert a manual page break, create a bibliographical list of sources, copy and paste text, and finally, find text and replace text. In this lesson, we will change the line spacing of a Word document. Your text states in Word Chapter 2 on page 73 that the lines of a research paper should be double-spaced according to the MLA documentation style. In Word, you change the line spacing to 2.0 to double-space lines in a paragraph. To do this, you navigate to the paragraph group which is located on your Home tab. Locate and left single-click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. This will expand the line and spacing paragraph gallery. You'll notice that it's currently set to 1.0 or single spacing. For MLA documentation, we will need to change this to 2.0 or double spacing by left single-clicking on 2.0. Since your MLA research paper should not have an additional blank space after each paragraph in your Word document, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and remove that blank space that is set by default in Word. You'll navigate again to your paragraph group and locate and click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. Navigate to the bottom of the gallery where you see Remove Space After Paragraph. Left single-click and the change is made. In this lesson, we will learn to update a style to match a selection. Your book states in Word Chapter 2, page 74, that to ensure that all paragraphs in the paper will be double-spaced and do not have a space after the paragraphs, you will want the normal style to include the line and paragraph spacing changes made in the previous two set of steps. To do this, we will right single-click on the Normal Styles Quick Style gallery. From there, we will then choose Update Normal to Match Selection by left single-clicking. In an MLA formatted research paper, you are to precede the page number with your last name placed 1/2 inch from the upper right corner of each page. To do this, we will need to edit the header of our document. To enter text into the header, simply left single-click on the Insert tab. Then, navigate to the Header button, which can be found in the Header and Footer group. Left single-click, navigate down to Edit Header. You'll notice that by default, your insertion point is left aligned. To change this, click on the Home tab, and then in the Paragraph group, locate and click on Align Text Right. Once you have done this, go ahead and type in your last name and press the space bar. Next, click on the Design tab and navigate over to the Page Number button. Left single-click, navigate down to Current Position, and then over and down to the first option, which is Plain Number, and left single-click to insert your page number. Once you're finished, press the Close Header and Footer button. To insert a footnote, select your insertion point by left single-clicking, then going up to your References tab, you want to select the Insert Footnote button. Left single-click, and then type in the text for your footnote citation. Once you're done, left single-click to position your insertion point outside of the footnote in your document. The works cited page of your research paper should be placed on a separate page. Thus, we will need to insert a manual page break into our document. You do this by left single clicking on the Insert tab, and then in the Pages group, simply left single click on the Page Break button. This will take your document down to a new page where you can then center your text and type your page title. To insert your bibliography into your works cited page, left single click on the References tab. Then in the Citations and Bibliography group, left single click on the Bibliography button, navigate down, and left single click on Insert Bibliography. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to copy and paste text. First, locate the text that you want to copy. In this instance, I'm copying the word to. So I'm going to double left click to select the text, right single click, and select Copy from my shortcut menu. Then I'm going to left single click to copy it to my clipboard. Then, locate where the word needs to be inserted. Left single click to position your insertion point, and then right single click and choose Paste. In this final lesson for Word Chapter 2, we're going to learn how to use the Find and Replace tool. First, make sure that you're on the Home tab. In this example, we are going to look for all of the instances of the word location so that we can replace it with the word position. To do this, left single click on the Find button. Type in the word that you're looking for, which in this instance is location. You'll notice that each instance of this word is then highlighted throughout your text. In order to replace this with the new word, position, left single click on Replace. In the Find What dialog box, the word location will auto-populate. Then, in the Replace With dialog box, you will want to type position. Choose Replace All. It will tell you that 3 replacements were made. Go ahead and click Yes, and then click OK, and then close the Find and Replace box. This concludes our video on Chapter 2, Creating a Research Paper with Citations and References.